The fact that Luminox is partnering with Force Blue and creating a dive watch for ourselves is a powerful affirmation that we're doing the right thing.
You see guys wearing Luminox watches, they've utilized it in training and in combat all around the world. So to have a company like Luminox reach out to Force Blue and want to partner with us and support us, it's an honor to have them.
You can't be in a fight alone. So you have a great product, we have a great product, we can come together, and that's what's the most important thing. Aligning yourselves with partners that are designed to make a positive impact on communities.
To have a brand like Luminox that's steeped in warrior tradition, a piece of infallible gear that helps warriors like my brothers and myself accomplish the mission. To have them on board now with this new mission of hope to empower the best and the brightest our country has to give, veterans. It's transformational. So thank you, Luminox.